This video tutorial I will cover ThrowsAdvice example of Spring AOP. If actual method throws an exception, then ThrowsAdvice will be executed, else it won't be executed. Here I have defined a class employee service. It has get employee name method which accept age. If age is not equal to 28, then it throws an exception. Here I have defined a class logging advice which implements ThrowsAdvice interface and provide implementation of after throwing method. If this method throws an exception, then logging advice after throwing method will be called. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have created three beans. One for employee service class, and second one for logging advice class, and third one for proxy factory bean class. And proxy factory bean class has two properties. The first one is target. I have referred to employee service bean, and the second one is interceptor names, and I have put logging advice bean. If method in the employee service bean throws an exception, then method in the logging advice will be called. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee service object from Spring container, then calling get employee name method and passing age as 50. If get employee name method throws an exception, then method in the logging advice will be called.